touring scheme has helped me massively to do things like this. It makes it much more accessible. Myself, for example, would never dream about being here.
So the touring scheme is providing funding for people to be able to come and do amazing placements like this. It's really helping certain students get extra funding who may not be able to do it at all otherwise, but other than that, it helps people to get out here and do things they wouldn't be able to normally.
There were three main elements of the touring funding that really helped me. It helped to cover the cost of the flights, it helped to cover a chunk of money for cost of living expenses whilst I was here, but it also helped to contribute towards visa costs and some vaccination costs that came up as coming on this trip.
The Bournemouth University volunteers will be doing a lot of the activities in the marine conservation program. That includes artificial reef structure building, deployment, diving, and also they'll be helping us with the turtle conservation program. So the impact on the community with initiatives like these include spreading awareness of what the ocean is looking like at the moment. So it brings a little bit more of a behavior change in the local community. It's created a partnership between the volunteers and the fishermen.
I set up this project called Bali Reef Conservation. We're a non-profit NGO which is aiming to rebuild this area of reef. So it's really important for me to have collaborations with local researchers too. I'm currently working with 3 different universities here in Bali.
This trip to Bali has been useful for my degree because it's a great addition to everything I've learned during my time at BU and gives me a bit of a practical experience in marine conservation.
Projects like this are incredibly important because there is a reef over here on the right, there's a reef over here on the left, and back in the middle it's been destroyed and reduced just back to sand. The wildlife has seen the impact, the fishermen have seen the impact, and in general all conservationists can see the impact. And bringing it back, even 6 years worth of reef now, such a difference in the amount of life.
The significance of this project in this area is that it's really beneficial for the fishermen. They get increased catch as the reefs improve the local biodiversity. The project is also really niche to this area. It's not a scalable project, but it works very well here, which is why projects such as this, it's so important to work with the locals for what they want and what is actually going to be helpful.
I could not recommend an opportunity like this enough. Things you see in a lecture theatre are completely different to what you see abroad. You never know where work is going to take you, and you never know what kind of wildlife you're going to see, what kind of work ethic you're going to see, and the culture you're going to see as well. Every single thing is a new opportunity and so much to learn. It's really, really incredible.
The advice I would give other students is definitely have a crack at it. You know, definitely give it an opportunity. Don't think it's for other people. It's for everyone as long as you remain open-minded, accepting of other cultures, and the next thing you know, you'll not even realize, but your life is changing in a better way because of it.